Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, we will explore Prague, the capital city of the Czech Republic and known as the City of 100 Spires. I've been here once way back 2017 and this is really one of the nicest city I've visited. So now that I have a YouTube channel, I would like to share to you guys the Prague experience. This video will be short and sweet since we only stayed here for 2 days, but I hope you'll enjoy watching as much as I enjoyed documenting this trip. So let's go guys and let's start our tour in the city of Prague. Before we start exploring the city, we decided to eat breakfast first since we arrived here early in the morning. On our way to the restaurant, we already passed by one of the main attractions here in Prague, which is the Old Town Square. The Old Town Square is the heart of Prague's historic core with colorful Baroque buildings, Gothic churches, and the medieval astronomical clock which gives an animated hourly show. Just a disclaimer guys, we went here a few days before the Holy Week, that's why the Old Town Square is decorated for the Easter celebration. And now guys, we just arrived in the restaurant and we will eat our breakfast. Good appetit! And now we will walk around the city, so keep on watching and enjoy the view guys! After walking for a few hours, we now reach the famous Charles Bridge, the oldest bridge that is still standing over the Vltava River in Prague and the second oldest bridge in the Czech Republic. Here is an overview of the bridge where you can also see the Prague Castle from afar. I did a short live video here guys last month, and I will show more of it next week on the second half of this vlog, plus a tour of the Prague Castle. That's it for today's video guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll always be updated when the next video is up on my channel. Thank you for watching!